Welcome to the third and last part of our three-part video slash tutorial on how to create a very simple website using nothing but HTML. So for our website, we're gonna only have, and like as I said before, in the previous video or the previous part of this video slash tutorial, our website is going to have picture and like 3 to 4 paragraphs, right? So let me show you how to do it. I'm going to go to the folder where our HTML document is, right? Press on it and I'm going to right click. After right clicking, I'm going to go to open it. Press on open it, and as you can see, I can open it as a Google Chrome. I can open it on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft, or Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an online text editor, right, that I use. So I won't have the option to open it using a notepad. But then if you don't have any online text editors on your PC, when you press on open with, it's going to give you an option to open it through the browser as well as open it using notepad. So you press on notepad, right? And that's if you don't have like an online text editor on your PC. There should be an option for you to open it as a notepad. Click on notepad, and on the phone it's the same thing. You just go to the app, go to where the document is, press on a document, and you're just going to do exactly what I do. So let me press on my one Visual Studio Code, and then I'm in. It's blank, right? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to press Control V. Oh no, let me start all over. Instead of me copying what the previous video, I'm going to start from scratch, right, and show you how to do it. So the first tag out of all the tags that we must have is the HTML one, right? Shift to put, I'm going to say HTML, right? Now it's there. Close. And I just put this very far. I go here, then I add our language. Language be in English. English doesn't have to be in caps. HTML tag, right? Then we have head tag, and in our head tag, as you saw in the previous one, we're gonna have equal meta chassis, is our computers dictionary, right? It's gonna be meta. And then we're gonna have UTF dash. I have to close it now. As closed. Right. Then you go down and we add the one for our viewport, right? So that our content can be like displayed correctly depending on what it's being viewed on, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and put that one. So you're gonna go on it. I'm gonna say meta name. So equal sign. After having put the equal sign in quotation marks, you're gonna put in viewport, right? And then after doing that, you're just gonna go outside and you're gonna say content. Then in content, you're gonna write the following: width, right? Width is equal to device dash width. Now what this says is that the width of our content must be equal to the width of the device that it's being viewed on, right? So the initial scale, which is like a default one, or like the proper one, is going to say initial oh yeah, so our scale, and we want to say it's equal to 1, right? After doing that, we go outside the quotation marks and then we close, right? And then we go down and we add our title. So you're gonna go down and you're gonna add our title tag. and it's gonna be title. And on our title, we're gonna say my first website ever, right? After you've done this, you're gonna want to save that nothing gets lost, so that when you make mistakes, you don't have to restart all over. But then, like, yeah, as you can see, I have my head and I have the content that I want to put within my head. So after having press saved, if you're using a laptop, you're just gonna close that window. Then you're gonna go HTML document, you right click on it, and then you say open with, and open with whatever web browser is your default web browser or web browser that is available for you to use. So I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Press on Google Chrome, and as you can see here at the top on the tab, the title of my page has been written, and it's what? First website ever. So you're gonna minimize that, so you're gonna use it later on. And yeah, for now it's very proper. So you're gonna go back. So now we're adding body part. What you gonna after head, you create another one, right? Called body. So this is where body will be. Here's our body. This is where our content will be, right? This way, like header, the main page, and a footer. So we want to start obviously with the nav, no header. Start with the tag to indicate we are now working with the header part of our website, the top part, right? So within header, you would want to use tag, put in navigation tag, and then in a navigation tag, obviously have heading, right? Website heading. Website heading ends on you. But with me, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna type in my Yanda lazy, right? My one. As I said before, do everything. You open, put information, close, and you save. Right? So like instead of going to file, save, simple thing is that you can do is use a shortcut. So you'd say control, press control or hold control, and then you just click on it. That will save it, right? So we're gonna go back to our web form of the document, the one that we had opened, and as you can see here, if I do this, my name has been displayed. This is like the header part of the website. Whatever I write after this, just below this. So let's go back and yeah, let's carry on editing. So here, I just want to make it neat. So I would say, just so like you can see that there's like a difference. You can just say down. I put a horizontal line. Put a horizontal line. Then we're done. Go save. If I go back, you can actually see that there is now this is a horizontal. You have a choice to make it whatever color you want to and how long you want it to be. Now let's go back and work on this again. Say I wanted this to be in the middle. So I would say H1 line, the H1 style. After style, say line what? Line content, text align. And I would align my text to the center part. So let's go back to our web page, refresh. Always refresh. Then as you can see, it's in the middle part now. Say I wanted to add more web pages, right? And just below my name, I wanted to add like one written contact